What up, ninjas? Just another Monday morning. Hope everybody's doing good. Haven't seen you guys since before Christmas. Just out here preparing the wood stove. It went out. The adult child neglected to fucking take care of it last night, so I have to restart it this morning. So maybe we'll get back to doing the muster, maybe not. I don't know. A lot of time spent chopping wood and keeping up with all these fires now that it's 17 degrees outside. So how is everybody doing? That's good. I'm glad to hear everybody's doing good. Well, just wanted to say hello and say that I'm still here. So hopefully you're all doing super outstanding right now. So this 2022, yeah, give us a thumbs up, thumb down, bitches, moans, complaints, leave them in the comment section below, and let us know what you want to see for 2022. The new Stoppani program's out. You can earn $10,000, $20,000 if you and your wife compete in it. So a lot of working out going on. So anyways, stay frosty, stay moving forward, stay whatever, stay motivated. Simplify, Godspeed, peace.